I am a slightly charred slice of bread with a thick layer of sauce, protein, vegetables, and dairy, an average-sized pepperoni pizza slice. I am still bubbling along with my 7 other siblings after we just exited the oven, ready to be enjoyed. Suddenly, I am lifted into the air. I try to cling on to my cheese, which is connected to my siblings, but the force is too big and it snaps. I enter the moist mouth where I begin to be chewed up. Saliva dispensed from the salivary glands is mixed with me to form a thick bolus, making it easier for me to slide down the esophagus. The amylase, an enzyme found in saliva, breaks down the carbohydrates in my crust into sugars, which my body can absorb more easily. As I travel down the throat, I can see the epiglottis closing over the trachea, allowing me to enter into the esophagus, where I can feel the muscles contracting and relaxing, which allows me to travel down to the stomach. As I enter, I feel a sharp pain throughout my body, even worse than the one I felt when I was being chewed up. I can feel the pepsin and hydrochloric acid burning through me, breaking me down into smaller proteins and other components. I eventually enter the small intestine, where pancreatic juices neutralize the acids that I was just covered in. Bile released from the liver engulfs me as it further breaks the fat within me into fatty acids. As I travel further, the walls of the small intestine absorb the nutrients that were once in me. Amino acids from the protein and sugars from the carbohydrates are now small enough to enter my bloodstream from the capillaries, which are delicate blood vessels found within the human body, a part of the larger circulatory system. The blood within the capillaries carries my nutrients to the different corners of the body, supplying energy so that it can function. As I enter the large intestine, most of me is already gone. I am nothing more than some water, minerals, and some remaining nutrients. The large intestine does its best to absorb what's left over, but the unlucky few who couldn't be absorbed slowly turns into unwanted feces, which is eventually discarded through the anus. Thank you.